What is up, YouTube? What is up, my nizzles? Alright. Oh, what a bright day today. As you can see, I don't even have my shades. My son wore my shades and he broke it. My hair is definitely the business because I woke up, and that's the cool thing about having short hair is you can just don't do it. Say hi, Jax. What are you doing, babe?
Filling out an application.
Whatever that meant. I think she's filling out an app for a job or something. But look at that. Look at all the white in the back, baby. I will teach you today how to make a snowball. First, you grab it with one hand or two hands if you want. But you know, the smaller it is, the more deadly. What's that saying? The small but deadly, or something like that. So anyways, you just gently squeeze like so. Once you get it down, oh man, look at this. Ooh, that hurts. See that right there? Trash can. The little fence thingy that blocks intruders from going into the trash bins and getting food that they want. Alright, check this out. This is deadly, man. Check it out. Oh my gosh, I freaking totally missed the wall. How the hell did... Oh my goodness. Jeez, that was embarrassing. And that is why I did not play quarterback or even played baseball in high school. Oh,
You're done?
dang, I totally missed. Alright, so beautiful day today. What do you have to say? Any closing remarks?
Nope. No closing remarks.
That was the best closing remarks ever. Jeez. Okay, she needs to use the phone, and it's our only source of logging / taking pictures and calling people all in one.